Hey yo, what's up everybody? Welcome back to another video on the YouTube channel. Today we're gonna go over the two trades I took yesterday and today. So it's been a while. Sorry for being away. I've been working and grinding my ass off trying to get this playbook V2 out. So if you guys don't know what a playbook is, the playbook is a collection of all my highest win rate plays in one single comprehensive book. So if you guys don't want to get that, link in bio, go get the playbook. You guys will be able to trade the way I do without me. All right, anyways, let's go over the trades that I took today and yesterday. So yesterday I took this beautiful trade. Now what trade is this? It's the compensation play, which is again a play from my playbook. But more importantly, this play was also sent to the free analysis channel on Telegram. So I've dropped a free, I thought, let me drop some free sauce for y'all. So I dropped a free Telegram channel for you guys to be able to join and get my analysis every single day on what I think the market is going to do. So if you guys want to join that, join it below. It's completely free, just join it. Let me just show you guys real quick. All right, never mind, I can't show you, but I'll put it on the screen. Anyways, let's go over the trade. So compensation play. Now you guys know how the compensation play works. We wait for a candle to open up with no bottom wick. For example, this candle right here opened up with no bottom wick. So we waited for this candle to open up with no bottom wick. We waited for it to close with no bottom wick. Then after that, we marked it up like so. After we marked it up, we just wait for the next couple of candles to come down, tap that area, and then we enter a buy off of that area, right? Now there's one very important rule with the compensation play is that you need to be with the trend, right? So you look for the trend. The trend was bullish, right? Trend was bullish. We had a candle open up with no bottom wick. We waited for price to come back, tap that area, and then we entered a buy with break of structure as a stop loss and TP at these highs right here. Yeah, that was what happened. Made, I think, 2K off of this trade. Beautiful trade. Made 2K on my 200K funded. Again, if you guys want to get a funded account, Alpha Capital Group, the best fucking prop firm in the world. You guys will also get 30%, 20% off if you use code BARD. Anyways, made 2K on my funded. Beautiful trade. Compensation play, very simple. I also have a free video on YouTube if you guys want to learn this play in particular. We had every single time frame with us for this trade, which was beautiful. We had the 1 hour, we had the 1 hour, we had the 30-minute, we had the 4 hour as well. Every single time frame was with us. We're an uptrend. We had just grabbed liquidity on the 1 hour as well. And yeah, beautiful trade, full TP hit. That's how we fucking do it, easy. And then we had this trade, which I took today, which was a no wick play, which is also obviously a play for my playbook, where we had the 1 hour or the 1 hour open up with no bottom wick, right? So we knew that. I also sent this to the BARD analysis channel, to the free analysis channel on Telegram. So we knew that price was going to head down, right? We knew that price was going to head down. We saw this huge drop earlier in the week. We also saw that we had filled in balance, right? We had, look at these wicks. We had filled in balance, so we didn't need to come up further. You need to come up further. Already filled in balance. Since I knew we filled in balance, we had room to come down, I just wanted to look for sells, right? So my confirmation for sells was this closure below on the 15, closure below the zone, and also a trend risk respect. So we had the downwards trend, right? We had continuously creating high, low, lower lows, lower highs, lower high, lower high, lower high, lower low, lower low, lower low, right? So we created a lower low and we closed below my zone right here. So I waited for a retest, right? Waited for a retest, and then as soon as we closed, respecting the most recent lower high, right? The most recent lower high. So we respected the most recent lower high, meaning we didn't close above. I knew that, okay, we are respecting bearish price action. So I just needed an opening to enter a trade. So what happened is we opened up on the 1 hour, and this candle right here created a top wick, this top wick with no bottom wick at all. So it looked like this. Right, the candle looked like this, right? No bottom wick, and it only had a top wick. And we know that candles that open up with no bottom wick or no top wick have a 90% chance of flipping. Me knowing those statistics in my head, I decided to enter a sell off of that and a bunch of other confluences that I just mentioned, and then ride the wave down to fill the range all the way to 2,275. Why? Because every single time we went below this area, we filled the range down to 2,075. 3,275. Not only that, but it's also a Diddy range. A Diddy range, what is that? Imagine that you take a range and you just put baby oil all over it and the candles just slip through. That's what happens. So every time you tap this area, it's a quick move. Boom, boom, boom. You just slip down all the way. So we had a Diddy range. So I knew that it was going to move quick and we're going to probably hit TP within one candle, which is what we did. I made around, let me see. I made 3K of this trade on my funded account. So we're up around 3% in these 2 days. So it's beautiful. Anyways, if you guys like what I'm doing, follow my YouTube channel. I will be dropping a free boot camp teaching you guys exactly how I trade in the next week. I will also be dropping more videos like this every single day. So make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel if you guys want to learn exactly how I take these trades, exactly the plays I take, and live trade with me as well and have a live coaching call. Get the playbook below. It's $99 and you guys get a free live coaching call with me, and you get all the plays that I use, which means that you will only be able to do one thing, or you will only need to do one thing, which is look at the plays, look at the charts. If they match, you take a trade. If they don't match, you don't take a trade, right? You don't have to learn anything. Literally trade on autopilot. Anyways, those are the trades. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate y'all. I love y'all, QTC, and I will see you in the next video. Peace out.